This is a new 2014 Ford Econoline 150. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an auxiliary input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Premier Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5001 Glenwood Road, Brooklyn, New York, 11234.